Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning na. Aga na. No, kumusta ka mo tanan? So, mayong aga sa tanan. No, I am hoping maayo ang aga ninyo. Diba? Sana all.
Sana all.
Okay, so kumusta ka mo da? Kumusta ang mga balat tiyago niyo? Kumusta ang 2021 ta? Diba? So maulanon yan da. Maulanon gid ang aton 2021. Sana all.
Sana all.
Diba? So kay malamig, of course, ang iban, anong oras na magbugtaw? Diba? Ang iba, hanggang bugtaw sa Integral 8. Amo na ng pinaka-early nila. Ang iba mabugtaw man, mga alas 10. No, di ba? Pero may kilala pag ikaw gabugtaw ko dyan alas 12. Why ganda siya, mabugtaw lang na siya. Ay alas 12 na, nga man nagbugtaw siya. Kay manyaga. Di ba? Sana all. Mo lang na, no? Sana all gid yan. Basta ang inyo na, bugtaw launa ha. Sobra-sobra ka na. Mabugtaw, makaon, o na, may isang pabuhit ha. Diba? Sana all mo lang na. Okay, maulanan yan da ang aton 2021. Ay ko kabalo kung anong rason. Pero sa mga balita sa Facebook, no? Nakikita ko man na binabaha. Binabaha ang iban nga mga banwa sa probinsya sang Capiz. Diba? Tapas, baha. Kwartero, baha. Baha man ang Mambusaw. Baha kagid, pati sa Sigma. Diba? Ibisan lang yung malakas. Ibisan lang.
Sana all.
Sana all taga Ibisan. Diba? Buhay kami ginabaha. Galing kay mo lang budlay, mag-commute. Budlay, mag-motor. Tani, may car na lang. Sana all may car.
Sana all.
Diba? Ang iban dira. Kumusta na ka mo? So, halong-halong lang dit na kita. Wagi kita kabalo kung anong matabo sa mga masunod nga adlaw. Maging maswerte bala ang 2021 o base mas maglala magid. Ay siling nila year of the breakup. Mabulagay kami sa ngakon bag-o amiga. Ay paano kung wala ka miga? Paano kung wala ka miga? Kasi siling nila year of breakups. Paano kung wala kaya miga? Sino ang mabulag sa imo? Base ang hit mo, ang mabulag sa imo. Diba? So, ang man na gina-advise ko man ba, hindi ka mong pabulaw-bulaw. Bugtaw aga, paligo, panapon. Okay, para makumot. Okay, ang iba tinulog na ng obra ng lipatan na magpaligo. Okay, so once again, thank you for your time sa pagtanaw, no? In watching my video tutorial. So last time, I already posted the part 1 and this is the part 2. Kung may part 2 ba si boss, may part 3 pa din. Okay. So, and the topic is arithmetic sequence. Diba? Tapos malanggaling arithmetic sequence. Hindi mabudlay. Okay. So, simple lang. Ano lang ang imuunta? Ito lang dapat ibalon, no? You have to determine, you have to try to observe the terms and the patterns of number. May common difference pala sila. Okay? How to get the common difference? That is by subtracting the successive terms to the preceding term. So, na, minus mo malang na. Kung may makita ka common difference, pag consistent sila, may constant difference, then automatically that is a arithmetic sequence. And last time, ano pa again? So here, let me ato sa ning malinaw. Ginaka pa. Okay. So let me share to you my screen. Here we go. Yan. You know. Okay. So last time we talked about on this arithmetic introduction to arithmetic sequences. So when the difference between any two number is the same or constant value, then the sequence is arithmetic. The difference is called D or constant. So ari naman ni siya ha. Ari naman sa part 1 sa atong video. Hindi ko na kanang paliwat-liwaton ha. Ano uli anon? Okay. So let us now proceed kung din kita nag-end last time. So here we end here, I think. No. Yes. So, I told you to answer this, and only Alisa pa lang ang naka-answer. So, this is A. This is A. Okay. Nah. And today, let us now talk about this using explicit form to find terms. So, let us now use the explicit form to find the terms. So, here in number 1, let me full screen na rin, a slideshow. Okay. Just substitute the value of what? The value of the values into the formula. So we have a sub 1 is equal to 5. The common difference is 2. So what? Find a sub 5. So again, our explicit formula is written as this. We have an, right? An is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, that is our explicit form. Okay, so to find the explicit formula, so to find, to generate an explicit formula, given that a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2, all we need to do is to substitute. Okay, substitute ini siya a sub 1 to our formula as well as the d, which is 2. Okay, in our formula, thus we have this. We have a sub n is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 times d, which is 2. Okay? And then after that, by distributive property, all we have to do, or all we need to do is to simplify. We have a sub n. Okay? So we have a sub n, ayan siya, is equal to 5 plus 2 times n, that is 2n, and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, so we have an that is equal to, let me copy first the term with variables. We have 2n, and then combine this. So we have to combine this. We have to combine, oh my God, what happened? Go back. Yan siya. We have to combine what? 5 and negative 2. 5 minus 2. Okay. 5 plus negative 2, that is equal to, or 5 minus 2, then that is equal to positive 3. So this is now our explicit formula. Okay? So, may follow-up. We have here a follow-up question. Find a sub 5. So here, using this formula, we can now find a sub 5. So an is equal to 2n plus 3. So a sub 5, so your n here becomes 5. So all the n here, we replace that by 5. So we have 2 times 5 plus 3. So we have a sub 5 is equal to 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Okay. So a sub 5 is equal to 13 and that is our final answer. Okay, so let us check a bit. Let us try manually on how to answer. So your a sub 1 is 5. If the common difference is 2, so automatically our a sub 2 is 7. Tama? Our a sub 2 is 7. Our a sub 3, you are going to add 2 is equal to 9. Our a sub 4 is equal to 11. Our a sub 5 is equal to 13. So we come up with the same answer. So therefore, our solution is correct. Very easy. Okay, amo na nakadali. Siling na budlay. Ako pa. Ya, kamo pa. 'Di ba? Sana all mayad sa math.
Sana
Okay, sana all man. Okay. Next example. So we have here a sub 1 is equal to negative 4. The common difference is 5. So find a sub 10. So the same process, copy first the explicit formula, then substitute the value of a sub 1 and the common difference which is D, and then generate the explicit formula or the new explicit formula, then find a sub 10. So again, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so a sub n, your a sub 1 is equal to negative 4. So we have negative 4 here, and n minus 1, the common difference is 5. Okay, so a sub n is what? A sub n is the same. We have negative 4 plus 5 times n by distributive property of equality. Distributive 5 times n is 5n. And then 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Okay, negative 5. So we have an is equal to, copy first the term with variable. So we have 5n. And then combine this. Combine negative 4. Okay, combine negative 4 and negative 5. So what is the answer? Negative 4 and negative 5. 4 negatives and 5 negatives equals 9 negatives. So negative 9. That is our generated, okay, the new explicit formula. So we're going to use that in finding a sub 10. So we have a sub n is equal to 5n minus 9. So a sub 10 is equal to 5 times our n is 10. Okay, so 10 and then minus 9. So a sub 10 is equal to 50 minus 9. We have what? We have a sub 10 is equal to a sub 10 is equal to 41. Okay, so that's it. That is on how to find terms using explicit form. Very easy. Diba? Sana all. Sana all. Okay, so let us now continue. This is your turn. Okay? You're going to answer this and send it to me via messenger. So, kindly, the same process lang. Just write first the explicit formula, substitute the value of a sub 1 as well as the common difference, and then generate the new formula, explicit formula, and then find a sub 8, a sub 4, a sub 12, and a sub 27. Okay, so let us now proceed to our new topic. That is summation. Okay, summation. Ara na, summation. Okay, so summation, the sum of the terms in a sequence. That is only the meaning of the word or our definition in summation. The sum of the terms in a sequence. So just like for example, no, we have here the sequence. This is our sequence. Okay, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Suppose that that is our sequence. So if you're going to find the summation of that sequence, all you have to do is to what? Is to add all the terms. So we have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. That is the reason why we have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 here. And that is equal to 20. Okay, nakuha? Diba? Very easy. So summation is represented by a capital sigma. Okay, so this is the capital sigma. Okay? The lowercase sigma muna siya ang ginagamit sa magkuha kasi symbol in ano, symbol for viration, I think. Yes. Na siya. Yan. Standard deviation. Viration. Square root. Okay, viration. I'm finding the viration. That's yan. Yan ang lowercase sigma. But our focus here is the capital sigma. That is the symbol. So, wow, this is the summation notation. Okay, so we have here the summation notation. Okay, this is the sigma summation symbol. Okay, the n here is the lower bound or the starting term number. And here u sub n is the sequence. This is the equation of the sequence. It could be most of the time this is the equation of the sequence or our sequence. And then the k here is the upper bound or the ending term. Okay, the ending term. So just like for example, number 1, we have the summation of 2n. So our sequence here is 2n. The formula of our sequence is 2n. So the summation of 2n from, this is how to read that. The summation of 2n from 1 to 4. Okay, from 1 to 4. So meaning you're going to start from 1 and you will end at 4. Okay, so that is equal to what? So this is how to do that. Okay, so 2, your n, the starting is 1. So 2 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4 because we end at 4. Okay? Start from 1, we end at 4. So 2n. So 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. So, and then simplify. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 times 4 is 8, and the sum is 20. Turn. Okay, so this is the sum. Okay, given that your sequence, the equation of your sequence is 2n, and you're going to start from 1 to 4. Okay, your lower boundary is 1, and your upper boundary or where the ending term number is 4. Okay, so in number 2, we have here number 2. Okay, the summation of n plus 3 from 1 to 3. So that is very easy. Okay, so from 1 to 3, so meaning we have 1 plus 3. Okay, 1 plus 3 because we change n as 1 because we start from 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, and then plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. Yeah. 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 So, as you could see, let me highlight the numbers that we changed. So we have this n. So 1, 2, 3. Just 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3. Okay. 1 plus 3 plus, 2 plus 3 plus, 3 plus 3. So what is the sum? That is the question. What is the sum? What do you think is the sum? Okay. So the sum is what? What is the sum? What is the sum? What? 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 Okay, so that is equal to 1 plus 3, that is 4, plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, plus 6. Okay, so we have 2 plus 4 plus 6, 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to 15. Okay, the answer now is 15. Okay, very good. So next example, we have the summation of 3n minus 2 from 1 to 3. So we're going to answer this the same. So that is 3 times 1 minus 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 2 times 3 times 3 minus 3. Because we start from 1, we end for 3 or 3 or at 3. So solution is, oh my God, what happened? What happened? What? Okay. So that is equal to 3 times 1 minus 2 plus 3 times 2 minus 2 plus 3 times 3 minus 2. Now, let us simplify. How are we going to simplify? Okay, how are we going to do that? That is only 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2 and then plus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2. So we have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 6 minus 2. That is equal to 4 plus 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So again, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So what is the answer? What is the answer of 1 plus 4 plus 7? What? What? Niloloko mo na ako ah. So 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 7 is equal to what? That is equal to 12. Palakpakan. Okay, so this is our final answer. This is now our final answer. Very easy, di ba? Sana all.
Sana all.
Okay, let us now continue. Okay, this is your turn. So meaning you're going to answer this. So number 1, or yeah, this is my I'm going to answer this. On the next slide, that would be your test. Okay. So number 1 here, I'm going to answer this, and after the or on the next slide, you will be the one, or that is your assignment. So here, our lower boundary is 1 and our upper boundary is 5. Our equation of the series is 3n minus 7. This is our series sequence. So 3n minus 7. So how are you going to answer this? So that is equal to 3n times 1. Okay, minus 7 plus 3 times 2 minus 7 plus 3 times 3 minus 7 plus 3 times 4 minus 7 plus 3 times 5 minus 7. And that is equal to 3 times 1 is 3 minus 7. So 3 minus 7. Okay, 3 minus 7. So, plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 7. And then plus 3 times 3 is 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. Plus 3 times 9 is what? 20. No, this is 4. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12. So 12 minus 7. And then plus 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 7. Okay. So what would be the answer? So that is equal to 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Plus 3, 6 minus 7 is negative 1. Plus 9 minus 7 is 2. Plus 12 minus 7 is 4. Ano? 5. And then 12 minus 7 is equal to 8. Okay, so again, 3 minus 7 is negative 4. 6 minus 7 is negative 1. 9 minus 7 is negative 9 minus 7 is 2. 12 minus 7 is what? That is equal to 5. And 15 minus 7, that is equal to 8. Okay. Combine all the negatives and all the positives we have here. Negative 4 plus negative 1, that is negative 5. 2 plus 5 plus 8, that is equal to positive 15. And then 5 plus negative 15, unlike sign, so we subtract. The answer is 10. Positive because 15 is larger than negative 5. Or the absolute value of 15 is greater than the absolute value of negative 5. So the answer here is... Okay, the answer is 10. Very good. Sana all. Okay. And then let us now proceed to number 2. Number 2. Das. Das. Pala dos. Okay, our lower boundary is 1. Our upper boundary is 4. 5 minus 4n. So that is equal to what? So 5 minus 4 times 1. Okay. And then plus 5 minus 4 times 2. Then plus what? 5 minus 4 times 3 plus 5 minus 4 times 4. Okay, that's it. And then 5, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 or minus 4. And then we have 5 minus, that is plus 5 minus 4 times 2 is negative 8. Okay, plus 5. And then minus 4 times 3 is 12. And then this is 5 minus 4 times 4 is 16. So plus 5 minus 16. Okay, so we have now 5 minus 4 is 1. Plus 5 minus 8 is negative 3. Plus 5 minus 12. What is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, so what is the answer? 5 minus 12 is 7 plus or negative 7. This is negative 7. Negative 7. Okay, parang pangit ang 7 ko. And then plus 5 minus 16 is negative what? Negative what? That is negative 5 minus 16 is negative 11. So we have, again, let us review. 5 minus 4 is 1 plus 5 minus 8 is 3 plus 5 minus 12 is negative 7 plus 5 minus 16 is negative 11. So we have, this is only the positive, so copy positive 1, negative 3, negative 7, negative 10. And negative 11, negative 21. So plus negative 21. Unlike signs, so we subtract. 5 plus negative 21 is negative 20. The answer is negative 20. Okay, that is our final answer. Sana all. Okay, so this is your task. You answer this one. This is your assignment. Okay, the two. This is your assignment. Okay, that is your assignment. What happened? Nag-iris-iris naman, oh. May swang naman. Assignment. Okay. And then, yes. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about partial sum of arithmetic sequences, formula number 1, as well as the formula number 2. So, isa na lang ka-video tutorial. May part 3 pagid kita. Okay, so that ends my tutorial. So, I am hoping that you can answer and you can submit your assignment. So, this is your assignment. 2 items only. Okay. So, sana all makapasa. Only Alisa passed the assignment last time. Some were not able to pass their assignment. So please watch the video. Okay, the part 1. And then here is your part 2. So once again, thank you for your time in listening. So I hope that you understand on how to find the sum using summation notation, okay, as well as finding the term using explicit formula. Okay, so once again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Goodbye.